GDCap26 here, just doing tips and repairs and hobbies. And we're just going to start painting this figure right here. It's the ghost. And what we did was we laid out all the paints to the parts. So each part is in front of the paint you need. Like the bones are in front of right here. And the chains, we're going to do that glow in the dark green. And the brown is by the pale blue and gray. And the mix between this and this green and these paints will be part of the body. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And it's got a nice neat little color chart to go by. And you can look at the pictures as well. So I just want to show that to start with. Okay guys, we've been painting here. We started with the shoes because we're going to let those dry, and we can hold the figure by the bottom of the shoes to do the rest of the figure and paint it. We got other parts up here that we painted and we're working on. And there's the ghost sign right there. And over here, I'm sorry I'm going so fast, is the base. So I'll show you that. So stay tuned. We'll show it to you when it's done. And here's the ghost. He's all done. Ooh. I hope you like my channel, and I hope you subscribe and ring the notification bell to see more videos on modeling and other repairs. And I thank you for watching. Please give the thumbs up or the thumbs down if you don't like the video. And I hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching.